Want to know how to share your files in Microsoft 365? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Microsoft 365 application and you should be right here under this interface, and make sure you are on the opening. And now sharing your file is super simple. On the left side you should be seeing sorts. You can just simply select that, and here you should be seeing various files that you should be there under recent. So you can just simply open up any file and it should open up on OneDrive. It should be looking just like this right here under your OneDrive. Now sharing it is super simple. On here you should be seeing right besides here downloads. You can just simply select that, and now once you have selected share, you can just simply share it using various means, that is copying to your clipboard or quick sharing it just by using other applications as well. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these similar videos. See you in the next one.